Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios your price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute time frame and looking at the scenarios from the lows of $3,500 around the 13th of October. Since then we had bearish and the more more bullish count where we had this again as the bearish scenario where we had again W, X and Y. The Y wave could end at these tops that we had, or we could be looking for this as a three-way structure downwards and then a three-way structure upwards to get to the one-to-one extension in price. We have hit already the one-to-one extension in time in comparison this way W for that way Y, but again not in price. At the moment, there is a possibility where we had this as a three-way structure, this would be another three-way structure, and then another three-way structure. Again, we are getting closer and closer to the 90% retracement here, which would be needed for this to qualify as a flat structure, so A, B, and then C. This can come up all the way down up here and still be valid. If we go beyond the 41.36, then this is no longer valid as a as any kind of expanded flat or a running flat. But yeah, that is still on the table. This is very impulsive looking though here, so we'll look into that later on in just a moment. Let me put that back into the folder, and then we had the more bullish version where we had this as a 5-way structure into an A wave or wave 1, then a pullback for wave B or wave 2, and then again 1, 2, 3. We had again two different ideas here. One of them was saying that we had this as a three-way structure. However, as Cohen mentioned, there was a possibility for this triangle as well. This fits into the bearish idea as well, where we had this as an A wave. A wave here, B, C, D, E. Looks really good. It is respecting the trend lines here, and we are getting that somewhat okay looking contracting structure here on RSI as well, at least here on 30 minutes, so that is fitting pretty well. The other idea was that we had this as the wave 4 here, and wave 4 instead would be here, but at that point again we would need this to be some kind of a diagonal, and we definitely need the price come back to here if we want to be considering that, so we get that overlap. Otherwise I can't really allow us having any kind of impulsive wave structure or motive wave structure based on this as a wave 4 from here, because again this definitely looks more like a three-way structure from the lows here. But yeah, if we are zooming in, today we've had quite a bullish move, and well, today and yeah, yesterday basically as well. So again, this can be viewed as a 5-way structure. We did have some kind of divergence here at the very end already, and this could be said that this is again the third and the fifth. There are a couple of ideas here. We could have this as a 1, 2, or let's actually see if this can be a expanded flat here. No, it can't. Okay, so we have this as a potential 1, 2, 1, 2. Now there is of course potential this being a third of third, where this is the third, fourth and fifth, creating a fourth and then another fifth wave to take out these highs. I don't really see us having the possibility of getting through these highs though at the moment. So there is definitely a possibility where we just come back down here for that wave 2 and then create a 3, 4 and 5. That would give us a bit more proportionate wave 5 in comparison to this as well. That would give us get us right into the 2.236 extension of this wave 1, 2. And again, that would be just a basic extension target when wave 5 is not extended either, and wave 3 is not extended either. So yeah, that's that. Also the 1-to-1 extension here is comparing the wave 1 here, pivoted from here as a 1 target. So those are fitting very nicely at $4,100. Let's see if there was actually anything else there. Not really. We have had this fair value gap. So again, the thing with these ones is that we dropped so fast through here that we did not really leave any resistance behind. So if we go beyond the 40 or 4,050, there is definitely a chance that we just go $100 above that straight away, or just do this with very small resistance upwards, and yeah, just get to the $41.50 area. At the moment, I don't see that very likely, at least for the wave 1 here. There could be a case where we are going to do that in that wave 3, 4 and 5 possibly, and even taking out the liquidity up here and then plummet down downwards. Again, even at that point, we are still within this, most likely this C wave instead of that wave 3. Wave 3, I would be expecting to get to the 1.618 around 43.85 at least, but at the moment I don't see that as a very likely option. But yeah, the expectation is that we are sooner than later turning down. Yeah, I think that is pretty much the short version of today's market expectations. Lower targets, if we do come back, then I'm going to look for longs against the lows here. But yeah, that is going to do it for today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Links to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you next video. Bye.